Lesson 1. Atomic Structure and Bonding. Neutral atoms have equal numbers of protons and electrons, and the atomic number simply equals the number of protons. If you need to find the number of neutrons, just subtract the atomic number from the mass number. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same atomic number and same protons, but different numbers of neutrons, which changes their mass number. The relative atomic mass is the weighted average of these isotopic masses. Electrons are arranged in shells. For example, magnesium has an atomic number of 12, so its electron configuration is 2, 8, 2, putting it in group 2. Period 3 means an element has 3 electron shells, and group 7 means it has 7 outer electrons. Atoms bond to achieve stable outer shells. Covalent bonding occurs when nonmetals share pairs of outer shell electrons. Simple covalent molecules, like methane, have strong covalent bonds within them, but weak intermolecular forces between them, so little energy is needed to separate them, giving them low melting points. Pure carbon forms allotropes like diamond and graphite. Diamond has all its electrons localized in 4 covalent bonds per atom, so it cannot conduct electricity. Graphite bonds to 3 other atoms, leaving 1 delocalized electron per atom to carry a charge. Ionic bonding involves ions, like magnesium forming a 2+ ion and chloride forming a 1- ion, combining to make MgCl2. Ionic compounds have high melting points. They do not conduct electricity when solid because ions are fixed in a lattice, but they do conduct when molten or dissolved in water because the ions are free to move.